Okay. So, clear naman eh. Clear na? Okay, Judy? Okay. Sige. Any other, please? Okay, para makano to ni Simon. Sige, Doc. Sige. Nakikita, nagkatalay tayo niya. Microphone, please. Microphone.
I-on ko na ba? Sige.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ma'am En, you mentioned earlier that you are not ready with your project proposal.
Yeah.
But I think you have already in your mind what livelihood projects you are going to embark for the women in Tagalaytay. Could you tell us?
Yeah, you're preempting. Okay,
Sa mga pagkutana?
What livelihood projects they are going to embark?
Plano ko na ninyo, ma'am. Paliw ko na, paliw.
okay, balo na siya yung pagkutan. Well, anyway, we have a lot of projects in mind, na? But we do not dream big dreams. I said we will just start with a little business, na? Small business. Like for instance, I gave them a little amount of money for pastillas, for small, encouraging them for entrepreneurial things, na? And actually our big dream is to have a food court. Food court, yeah, but it's too lofty a dream. Kadang dako siguro nagkuan kay kinahanglan tag structure, na? We already have a proposed place area for that, but kinahanglan ta mag-construct og kuan structure. So I think later on muna na. And then but they had before bugasan ng bayan. Ng bayan, barangay. So now I think that is affordable for us. We have a little amount of money already, and I told them we will just have rolling stores. So 2 days at the upper, 2 days in the lower Tagaytay, and then because everybody needs rice, so they could buy from us at a lesser amount from the market. One or two pieces is already substantial amount, na? And then they do not have to pay transportation to go to the market. They just go there. We will inform them what day to what time, so they could buy. And then that is the inception, the project that we first envisioned. And then later on, this food court, or more, yeah, or I think also food trucks. But that is already very very expensive project. So we will just put our feet down, and then we will start with small ones. Okay? Pero mag food court may kailangan ito mamaya po na. Okay.
Yes, Honorable Bacosto.
Yeah. No. Actually, ma'am, I've been listening to your dreams of the women in the lifetime of your leadership. We know that one day your dreams will come true. Sila ginagmay, ma'am. Because we have to remember that great things starts from small beginnings. So, I hope na pagpadayon ang inyong gibuhat sa Tagaytay, and then kami din sa SB, just let us know wherever we can help, maybe personal or not. Basta we have your back here. At the same time, continue. I hope you ma-inspire ang inyong organization na pagkatabang na ito. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am.
Okay. Any other? There we have. Yes, Honorable Villaflor.
A little bit challenging.
Point of clarification, objection. Hearing none, the said proposed resolution number 304-2024, the resolution granting accreditation to Talaytay Women's Workers Association, close open parenthesis, TWWA, is hereby considered and approved on first, second, and third reading. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Good luck, ma'am. Coordinate na din sa...
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much for accommodating us. Thank you.
Yes.